Mr. D here with this awesome tutorial of the second violin part of the Nutcracker arranged by Phillippe. Of course, you're going to start softly at the very beginning, first movement, and we're going to watch the crescendo to the mezzo forte and then back to the piano. So, the key to this is to reset after the mezzo forte to go quickly back to a part of the bow that you can control so you can start softly again. So the return of the bow is coded in my motion of how I finish the long note. This is what I do. If you finish and you stay here, then you will not be able to start its piano. Okay? So practice. Same thing with that note. I'm right here where I can control the bow and start piano. Now over here, let's do it slowly. Yes, use 4 here. Reset to half position. Back to 4. So that has to be very accurate, very good intonation. Practice. Okay, so as we are retaking the bow after the long note, to start again, once we play it for the second time, you can start in the middle. I hope that makes sense, okay? Because you don't want to be stuck here and play this. That would not sound too good. Now, the next part, it was gonna sound better if the ending is in third position. So watch. Now go here to third position, play 2, 3. And high one. Okay, so watch it again. Use fourth finger accordingly. That can be open, open, fourth finger, fourth finger, third position. Okay, now you go a little bit louder on this one. Now make sure that second note disappears, and now okay, G sharp, F sharp, C natural. Disappear. Now count well. 3, 4, 1. Okay, let's do the counting one more time. So this time I'm not gonna stop. So 21. Disappear. 3, 4, 1. Crescendo, piano, piano. Now this part is cut off on the page, but it's louder dynamic, okay, than the beginning. So then again. Now I can play this open string, or if you prefer, because it's very ringy, you can use the second finger in third position on G string, okay, and get a really good bite. So you have to, okay, all right. Second movement. This one I would like in the upper part of the bow and détaché with a tiny bit of separation, but not too much. So it's gonna sound like this. Okay, so it's not dot, but the bow is kind of carried. And I start in third position because it sounds better. This is too bright for that. We want it a little bit veiled. You can go here to first position. You can use low 4 for G sharp or high 3, whichever you prefer. Okay, here you can do, or you can go to third position and do 4 1 4 4. Now high 1 and back to 2 to the first position. Okay, this is kind of tricky, so you have to practice it. Okay, and then we go to the next one. It's the same. Now here in this part, we take to the middle because we're going to make stops here. Okay, this is very uncomfortable. You can play it with low 1. Okay, or you can play it in second position. And then you reset to first position for the next one. So this is how you play it in second position. Just a moment. This is how you play it in second position. You find A sharp with 3. And your first finger is an F sharp. So as you play, and back to first position, high 3. Okay. So you gotta practice for intonation here. It has to sound like this. And now the next part with the crescendos. Go away. So you're really active on the triplet. And there you go away with the sound. You carry the sound. You see, you drag the bow, not active. So kind of carry the bow to the long note, so we can hear the violas. Okay, so again. Now notice how I saved the bow. I had more than half of my bow for the last note. Same thing, save the bow. Now you can go to third position like so here. High 1. Okay, again, high one. That way you're not playing with 3 and 4, which are possibly can get out of tune. So and immediately you're in the right part of the bow to restart again at the sign. Okay, I'm gonna skip and I'm going to go to coda again. If you practice to get it in second position, that would be best. Okay, the first position. Okay, okay. Now the third movement. Now I would like to change some bowings here. First note is okay to start down bow, but I think sforzando on an up bow is a terrible idea. So I would like you to do up, up, down, and pick the next note with an up bow. So up, 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 down. Now here you can do it as it comes. Again, down bow, and then up bow, down, up. Now quiet. Please don't play open string here. It's too much of a bow change. Same thing. Okay, now there is the part where the cellos have their thing. I'm not going to talk to you about that. Make sure that you play a good A sharp, and then at the end C sharp. And right after the second ending, train yourself to go immediately to the beginning, second ending. Mm, mm. Okay, does that make sense? Now I'm gonna go to coda. Same thing, a lot louder than the beginning. Now the next part is better if you separate it in several ideas. Okay, so idea 1. Idea 2, finishing that idea. Okay, now again, the first idea. The second idea. Now it starts to get closer. Okay, this is what I'm doing here. I'm playing F sharp with 2 and I crisscross my index finger right behind the second finger, so you can play that C sharp unobstructed and it resets here. Okay, now I'm gonna go again. Better for this if your first finger is on both strings, then and then you finish it with series of okay. So practice please. 55 again. 4 2 4, take the 1, stick it right behind 2, put 3, with 3 reset the first finger back and you play. That's probably one of the hardest places in this piece. Now I'm going to take it kind of like in tempo so you can guys get the continuation, get practice good finishing. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Happy practicing.